Hiya, in this video I'm going to show you a really easy and free way of how to animate a mouth to go along with your talking, to create a cute little intro or cartoon or whatever you like. It's really simple and it's free. So here we go. So we're going to be using Adobe Express for this, and it's free to use. You don't need to, I think now you need to sign up, because before you could actually use this completely without signing up and you could download your animations that you make. Now you do actually have to sign in, but like I say, it doesn't cost anything. So we're going to create this now, and like I say, in a few clicks you've got an animated little person on your screen. Why is this taking so long? Okay, so if you want like a fully animated character, they have loads available. Why did that pop up there for? I don't usually pop up over there. So there's loads of different types. There you go, that's where it usually is. Loads of different styles and stuff. So depending on what you're looking for, you can actually, there's loads of different characters. Oh yeah, let's go for Medusa. And then you can record your voice, or you can pre-record it and just upload it. There is a limit though. Any of these file types, and it can only be 2 minutes long and no bigger than 1 gigabyte. So I'm going to upload mine. And then this will start putting the voice to the animation. I did forget to actually choose the size of the picture and the background. You can put a background on this. There's custom background. You can upload your own background. They have like preset ones which you can do, which I'll show you that in a second because I just kind of rushed through that. Took too long to pick a character, so I end up rushing through the rest of it. So this doesn't usually take too long to sync up. Okay then, so then you can preview it, so you can press play. Okay, so here's what it looks like when it's all done. It moves, like it's not just the mouth, this whole character kind of moves. It can create it. I don't know how it works actually. I suppose it senses the tones and stuff, and if you were probably speaking louder or faster, it would probably wave its arms around a bit more. Who knows? Starting to try out to see what makes it do like different movements. But yeah, so you've got a fully fledged character here going along with your voice, and it's all animated for you. But there is another way you can do this, but it's more personal, but it's a little bit less animated. So I'll go into that now. Okay, so we're back here now, and I'm just going to quickly show you the backgrounds. So you can have a custom color, or you can have all these other things as well that are preset, or you can upload an image. So you got all these. There's like loads of them, all different styles and themes. There is a transparent one, but I think I don't know if you can just download that. Because I tried that once and it wouldn't download. I had to open it up in Adobe first and do loads of other stuff. Yeah. So anywho, another way of doing your own character is by going to the background part. Oh, quickly go to the size as well. You can have different sizes for this. You don't have to do it like a landscape like this. So depending on where you're putting it, you might want like a square or something. Anyway, back to the character. So if you want to use your own character, you just upload an image of your own character. So I'm going to do here, and it has no mouth. I left the mouth out. And you go back to the character, and then you go down to mouth only. Now they've got a few different types that you can use. So you just choose one, you can change the size, where it is, it's a bit too big. And then do as you did before, upload the recording, and it will make it. So this has got your own character, and it's just going to be the mouth that is animated. So here it is, and then we can test it out. So here, as you can see, the mouth is moving, but the rest of it is stationary, because obviously this is like classed as a background, and it's just the mouth that's been animated. So you're not going to get the movements in the body and stuff, but it still gets the mouth moving, which is the best you can do, I think, for this kind of thing. If you want your own character, without actually going in and using a program to physically move the arms and stuff. So yeah, so this is just a really simple way of getting that mouth moving and making your character speak. And then you can download it. If you're not happy with the mouth placement and things, you can go back and change it, make it bigger or smaller, because sometimes the mouth looks like it's in the right place, but when it starts talking it needs to be higher or lower. Yeah, so you can do that with your own character, or you can do little skits and stuff with actual photos. You can upload photos and put one of these mouths over that. Don't mind me, I'm just sitting here eating my plated cocktail sausages. Nom 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 nom. So you can do a few things with this, and like I say, it's really simple to do. In a few clicks you've got yourself an animated talking mouth or character, depending on what setting you use. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Make a patchwork of our choice, scraps of love and time employs. Through our crafts we build and mend. In the end, hearts always blind. Materials may come alive. When we're together, dreams survive. Creativity flows and end. In the end, hearts always blend.